Good morning. Today we will talk about how we classify plants and animals. So, when I ask you, have you ever visited a garden? Yes, you can visit a garden. So, what are you see in the garden? Yes, you can see flowers and trees. Excellent. Okay, are every plants in the garden have flowers? Yes, very good. No, bravo. So we can classify plants into two types. Two types of plant. Number one, plants having flower. Plants having flowers. And number two, plants don't have flower. Example two, plants having flower. Rose flowers, red flower, sunflower. And example two, plants don't have flower. Alpine trees and grasses. Okay, for example, plants having flower, they have flowers. They have flowers. For example, red flower, rose flower, white flower, sunflower. So, plants having flower, they have flower. And number two, plants don't have flower, they don't have flower. For example, alpine trees and grasses, pine trees and grasses. So, when you go to the garden, we can see two types of plant. Number one, plants having flower. Number two, plants don't have flower. Okay. Number two, animal classification or types of animal. Who have animal in their home? Cat, dog. Okay. So we can classify animals into two types. Are every animals can live in our home? No. Animals can live in our home and animals can't live in our home. For example, cat can live in our home, dog can live in our home, chicken can live in our home, but lion can't live in our home, tiger can't live in our home, zebra can't live in our home. So we can classify animals into two types or two groups. Number one, domestic animal. Domestic animals or farm animals, for example, cat, dog, chicken, sheep, cow, horse. Number two, wild animals. Wild animals, dangerous, can't live with people but live in nature. For example, lion, tiger, giraffe, crocodile, spider. So we have two types of animal. Number one, domestic animals. Number two, wild animals. Domestic animals or farm animals, for example, horse, chicken, rabbit, duck, cow, goat, sheep. So, domestic animals can live in our home and can live with people. Example for domestic animals, dog, sheep, cat, chicken, duck, cow. Number two, wild animals. Wild animals, it is dangerous, can't live with people. For example, spider, rat, monkey, tiger, lion. So, wild animals can't live with people and dangerous. Okay, and the third type, pet animal, pet animal, pet animal like bird, fish, and snakes are wild, but sometimes they are pet. For example, two pet animals, bird, fish and snakes. Okay, page 47 homework in sheet book, page 47 homework. Page 48, write the date and plants and animals are part of nature. Number 1 في plants. Plants have flower, for example rose bushes, and others don't have flower, for example pine trees. Page 49, some animals are wild, for example spider, rat, monkey, lion. Number 2, domestic animals. They live with people. Dog, cat, sheep, chicken. Number 3, pet animals like birds, snakes. They are wild, but sometimes they are pet. Open Oxford, page 34, and write the date. Number A, we can color a tree with green. We can color tree with green and brown. Okay. Number B, a wild brown square بالبراون. Number C, a black pet dog. black dog بالبلاك. Number D, a big gray rabbit. Number E, a yellow flower. Okay, yellow flower. And number 2, which plants and animals do you know? Excellent, we can know tree, flower, dog, rabbit. Excellent, bravo. Turn over the page 35. Yes, listen to me. Page 35. Plants and animals are part of nature. Some plants have flowers. For example, rose bushes. Number B. And others don't have flowers. For example, alpine trees. Number E. Some animals are wild. They live in nature. And others are domestic. For example, two wild animals, for example, two wild, spider, rat, monkey, lion. But for example, two domestic animals, they are dog, cat, sheep, chicken. So, trace dog, rat, cat, chicken, spider, snake. نعيد بالبنسل على آخر لاين في البيج. Turn over the page 36. I want to ask you to give example to pet animals. Yes, excellent. You can draw bird, fish, or snake, right? We can draw a bird. Number 2, wild animals. I can ask you to give example to wild animals. Yes, excellent. Bravo, lion. We can draw bird and lion. Okay. The session is end, and we will see you in another session. Bye.